Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and installing the driver. Once done, open your project folder, run npm init if needed, and install MongoDB or Mongoose. Make sure you have connection credentials, URI for Atlas or localhost for a local instance. You need a database user with appropriate permissions. Create one now if missing. Finally, create a env to store the URI securely so you don't hardcode secrets in source control. Now write the code to connect and explain why options matter. You'll import Mongo client from MongoDB or Mongoose, read the URI from process. Env, then call connect inside an async function. Use a wait so you block until the connection is ready. This prevents race conditions. Pass options like use unified topology and pool size to improve stability and performance. Once connected, export the DB or model instances. Finish by using the connection for queries and planning graceful shutdown. You'll run CRUD operations through DB, collection methods or Mongoose models, and make sure to close the client on process exit to avoid resource leaks. Also implement basic error handling and retries around Connect so transient network hitches don't crash your app. If things go wrong, check the URI format, whitelist your IP in Atlas, verify credentials, and inspect firewall or Docker network settings. These are the most common causes of failed connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.